Hello everyone, welcome to part 13 of Laravel 11 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So finally in this video we are going to update the admin password. We have done all the checks. We have created the admin form, updated password form as well. We have seen that the current password is correct or not, that we have checked it as well, like it is saying the current password is correct or incorrect. Like if we will put here 1 2 3 4 5 6, then it will tell the current password is correct. Otherwise, if we will put the wrong password, then it will say that password is incorrect. But still, we need to update the password. So after putting the right password here, the admin is going to add the change password that he want to make, the new password that he want to make, and also he will retype the password here 4567. Like if I will update to 7, then if you click on submit, then finally we are going to update the password, and request will go to the update password here once again, and here we are going to add the request $request. So whatever the password that will come here, we are going to get that password in the is method, request is method post, and finally we are going to update the password. But we are going to check, going to verify the password once again, that the password is current password is correct or not. Okay, before update, request uh, request input. So here first of all we will get it. Okay, so let's get it there, and here whatever the password, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 here. uh, so I think there is CSRF token is missing, so that's why, yes, CSRF, so that's why it is giving error. So I think we need to fill once again, refresh. Okay, password autofill 12356. Now here 1234567. Don't worry, this password is autofilled by the plugin. Okay, if there is no plugin at your end, then the admin is required to fill the password. Okay, 67. Okay, so now I'm going to click on submit. So here so something is missing here, name is missing, so that's why. So don't make this silly mistake at your end. And also we are going to modify this, although that is not required here, but here we are going to add the name as well. Current password, here name is new password, and here name is current confirm password. Okay, so once again, so it is better to debug the code like this before proceed further. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let's see. Yes, this time we are getting here the current password, new password, and confirm password. Okay, current password, that is this one, new password is this one. Okay, so let's check once again. We are going to add the same hash check uh, here, this one. Okay, this one will work here as well, hash check. Okay, and this one we are going to comment, and whatever the current password that will come from there, we are going to check that $data current password, and if that is fine, cdc one is the first condition, and then we will move further. But if that is not fine, then we will return redirect the user, and will with the message that your current password is incorrect. Okay, return redirect back the user with error message that your current password is incorrect. Okay, so now see this condition we are going to test here. I will now check, and but here in this update password we are going to add that alert box. Okay, like we have added earlier here in the login web file, and this same alert box we are going to add before form here. Okay, like this. So now we are going to test it. Like if I will put even it tells us that the current password is incorrect, and the admin again puts the incorrect password, and then continue, and we'll click on submit. Then see, your current password is incorrect, so it is working fine. Okay, and here is some spacing we must give style margin top, some 5 pixel is enough. Like if the incorrect current password, then click on submit. Okay, so it seems to be fine like this. Okay, and also we can do one more thing here. We can give here the width something like the 95% width. Okay, I'm not sure that it will work fine or not. I'm not that much good in CSS. Okay, so see, you need to write the inline CSS. CSS, no inline CSS, but you need to put in your CSS file all these CSS, not like this. But here for saving the time, I'm just doing it like this. Okay, so I think test align, maybe center, maybe it will work. I don't know that to put it at the center, maybe it will work, or align center. Okay, maybe it will work as well. uh, Center. Okay, maybe it will work as well. Okay, so now if we click on submit, no, it is not working. So in this case, what we can do, we can simply add the margin uh, from all sides. I think maybe it will work fine, and we'll remove here the center like this, just margin 5 pixel, so that it will add the margin from all sides. Okay, see, put anything you want. Yes, now it is perfect. Okay, so so we able to add that check here as well, and now we can proceed further. Now if the current password is matching, then one more condition we are going to add here, like new password and confirm password is matching. So both new password as well as the confirm password must be matching, so that condition also we are going to add. But here we will also add the comments like check if current password is correct, and here we are going to add the condition like check if new password and confirm password are same. Okay, so here we are going to add the another check like if dollar data new password is equal to dollar data confirm password, then here admin where id auth card id, we will match with the id. Okay, and then we'll update the password. Update the password and hash protector password, and that decrypt function we are going to use to decrypt the password so that it will convert it into the hash format that the Laravel understands. New password. Okay, and finally we are going to return redirect with the success message here, and the message is something like password has been updated successfully. Else we are going to return the error message, something like the new password and retype and confirm password not match. Okay, new password and confirm password not match. Okay, so let's see now. Suppose if the user puts the correct current password, but its new password as well as the confirm password is not matching. In that case, if we will click on submit, then it will say new password and confirm password not match. Okay, so the user is required to put the correct new password as well as the confirm password. I'm going to put here the 12345671 12345671. So this time the password must have been updated successfully, but here is some issue has come. We need to include here the admin model as well. Use app models admin. So now I will go back, we'll try once again. Okay, so I will refresh here and we'll type here 12345671 12345671. Let's click on submit, and finally I think we able to update the password, but there is no message because we have not added any success message here. Okay, so here one more time I'm going to add it like this, but this time I'm going to convert into the success message. Okay, here success will come here, success will come here as well. Here instead of this one, uh, alert success will come here as well. Okay, and I think it must work fine. Let's see. Okay, and there's this one. Let's show. Okay, so let's try 12345671. See the current password right now, 12345671. Click on submit, and here you can see the success message with password has been updated successfully. Okay, but we need to correct here this one, same like we have done there. We will add here the style as well so that the message will look perfect. Okay, but here we need to check that whether we able to upgrade the password or not. Okay, so see this one, this password is still, it is 123456. See 6, it is taking 6. I don't think that we are updating, it is updating correctly or not. Let's see here where id matching with the update password is new password. Okay, so it must work fine, and make sure the new password field name is new password. Yes, it is. Okay, so let's once more update. Okay, it is 123456. Now I'm going to add here 12345671 12345671. I'm going to click on submit, and here you can see the message is also coming correctly here. Okay, and this time the password must have been updated, but it is still showing, I think 12356 1233456. No, it is still not updating. I don't think it is updating. Let's log out and let's log in with the 123456. Yes, it is still login with this one, so there is some issue. Let's see what the issue exactly. And we'll do one thing here. I will just replace ID with email, where email, I'm going to compare it with the email here, because email is unique also. Okay, and in MongoDB we are going to check. I'm going to open the MongoDB here, and here I'm going to connect the MongoDB, and we'll open the database project 11 and admins collection. And here, see, we can compare it with the email. Okay, see, ID is something else, not the ID of MySQL. So we are going to compare it with the email. Okay, so if the email is matching, then we are going to update the password. So let's see if this one will work fine or not. Okay, so now we will try once again. I will go back here and will refresh. So this is the current password, 12356 1234567 is the new password. So let's update, and the password has been updated. It is saying that it is, see, the finally the current password it is showing as incorrect. That is, it is coming from the plugin, that is 12356, because we have already updated the password. So now it will not work, this password will not work, that autofill password will not work at all. So now the new password is 1234567. Okay, we will add the 712357, and then the password will work fine. And here in update password form, you need to see that it is still showing the current password is incorrect, because it is filling from the plugin. So the best way is to check like what is coming here. I will make the type as test, and you can able to see now the current password it automatically fill, that is the 12356, that is incorrect. If we will put the 12357, then it will show the current password is correct. So we finally able to update the password. So I now move back it to the 123456. Finally, I'm going to make the password once again 1256. Okay, click on submit. Then finally it will update the password back to 12356. Now it will tell that the password is correct. Here it is saying the current password is correct. Okay, so now we can able to update with the old password. This one is the old password, and we can update it with this one. So finally we able to upgrade the admin password. And see, instead of ID, we will take the email here, because the email is unique. And also we are going to compare the email to update the password. Okay, that's all for now. In the next video we will start working on the updating the admin details as well. Okay, and also we will see that how we can able to update it with the ID, with the MongoDB ID as well. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.